How to properly install a splash hog. First, flush the urinal. This does a couple things. One, it rinses the old screen that's in here. Two, it gets you some moisture up against this back wall. So go ahead and take out the old urinal screen and properly dispose of that. Once you take your new splash hog out of the box, what you're going to do is go ahead and open this up. Properly dispose of the cellophane. You've already flushed your urinal, okay? On the back side, you've got the suction cups. The suction cups are already installed. That moisture back here is going to help adhere the suction cups. Once you're ready to install, take and place the splash hog into the bottom of the urinal. Push it down so it sits flush, and then push on each suction cup up against your back wall, and you've successfully installed your splash hog.